Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you the Java program I created using Java Swing and JOcean framework. This project is a food ordering system where customers can choose their food, drinks, and menu items, and the system will automatically calculate the total price. This code has three important parts. The first one is secure login section where the user is given only three items. And the second one is menu window which display different food categories. And lastly is order summary which show everything the user select along with the total amount. Here is the part of the code that contains the menu items. And this is my login form which only allow 3 attempts. The first thing I do is enter my admin username and password. And correct attempts left 2. And correct attempts left 1. And correct attempts left. 3 attempts used closing program. If I reach 3 attempts, 3 incorrect attempts, the program will automatically close or terminate. So now, I will enter the correct account. Login successful. So when the program starts, the first thing you see is the main menu window. Title, select your meal. Everything organized into categories to make it easy to choose what you want. On the left side, we have Silog meals. This use checkboxes, which means you can tick multiple items at the same time, like top silog, bang silog, corn silog, long silog, and hot silog. Below that is the donut category. I added 2 options, chocolate donut and vanilla donut. Same thing, there are checkboxes so you can choose both if you want. On the right side, we have the pasta section. This uses radio buttons, which means you can only choose one pasta, it's either carbonara or spaghetti. Next is the pizza category, also radio button, so you choose between cheese, cheese pizza or Hawaiian pizza. Lastly, we have the drink section. You can pick one drink, Coke, Sprite, Royal, or iced tea. Once you're done selecting your items, you simply click the order button at the bottom. When you click the order button, the program will generate a receipt pop-up showing all the items you selected. Top silog, bang silog, corn silog, long silog, hot silog, chocolate donut, vanilla donut, spaghetti, Hawaiian pizza, and royal. And that's it. This end to demonstrate of my Java food ordering system. Thank you for watching.